Hey folks, this is Mark Kelly once again with Inbound Revenue. That's me on the shirt. That's us on the shirt. We can help you with anything with your agency or small business. Check us out at Inbound Revenue. Listen to the Marketing Can Work YouTube podcast every day, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, live on YouTube. I'm going to walk you through the settings that we set for an initial campaign launch because these are super important. Key metrics here. We bid equally on new and existing customers. We do not select a marketing objective because we're going to track conversions. We're going to optimize on that. This campaign is enabled. Google search. So we run on the search network. We do not run on search partners typically. It can work. It used to work better. It works less good now, less well. And it also depends on which bid strategy and how you set some other things up. So it's only a small amount of traffic when it's optimal, and it can get you in trouble. Turn it off. Never turn the Google Display Network on. Should never have turned that on. You shouldn't have it on now. So don't turn that on. Run display separately if you really want it. You probably don't want it. Target your zip codes, but be very sure to, or city, whatever it is you want to target, be very sure to turn on presence, people in or regularly in your targeted locations. Super important. Set your budget, choose your bid strategy. We almost always start with manual CPC, sometimes max clicks. Manual CPC, if you know what you're doing, you have time to manage it. It doesn't matter if you do max clicks or manual CPC. They're both going to start out slowly and need some adjustment. Max clicks require some learning time. Manual CPC requires some effort on your part. We go with manual CPC. Make sure that you don't have broad match turned on. You just stay away from broad match. So those are the key settings that we have. The most important ones to note are that you're only running on the Google Search Network. You've set your location to people in or frequently in. You've set your bid strategy correctly. Don't set it to max conversions, whatever you do, because you have no conversions for which it can maximize on. Don't do that until you're getting about 20 conversions a month. That's it, folks. Check us out at inboundrevenue.com. And if you have any questions at all about marketing in general, Google Ads, hit me up below, drop a comment. Glad to have you join the channel. Hit subscribe, hit like, do all that stuff. Talk to you soon.